Okay, today we're working on clear up the headlight. See this? We sand it with the sandpaper.
600.
600, then with water, you know. Just light with hand. And after this,
We use 800 and then 1000 the grid with water
with water, sand, you be careful.
and 1200 with water.
Okay.
And for the smoothest finish,
Yeah.
you use 2000, but it's not really required.
Okay, what about this machine? The machine is this.
And this is basically, it's a mist machine, and the liquid they use in it, it's an acetone liquid.
Yeah. Where you can get this machine?
You can get it on Amazon or eBay.
Okay. So this is like bring it like brand new, look so clear. And we already did this. And this vehicle is 2011 tier 4. Is like almost like brand new headlight, original headlight, like brand new. So he's done almost here. So this is really good. Actually, you can save the light and look. Just water and sandpaper. That's it. You go light, 600
And this is the liquid you use.
for the machine.
Yep.
So this is a liquid you buy it in Amazon and anywhere, and you put it in this little machine, and that's it. And you save a lot of money. You do it, and you do it in your driveway.
Make sure you don't breathe this in.
Yeah, do not breathe this in. So every vehicle you guys do this. Every light, every vehicle
Yes.
coming in, you just sand it with the water, and it's become like brand new. Wow.
Usually takes from 10 to 15 minutes.
Wow.
And the lights are really bad, takes 20 minutes.
Wow.
Really quick process.
This is done.
This is done.
Yeah, please subscribe and like the channel and leave comment down below. And this is become like brand new. So this is the right side.